With the window up, it makes you squeeze your chest and your nose snot comes out. Yeah. With it down, it's windy. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop. Okay. Nice. So you have 6 subs on 4 amps. So how is that wired? 3% or?
3%. Yeah, got them strapped.
Okay.
0.67. Yeah, 0.67.
Got it. So it's 1.3 strapped.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. And the lithium bank's right here behind it.
Yeah.
Okay. I remember meeting you a couple years ago. You had some 10s.
They weren't 10s. They were 12.
12s. Oh, 12. That's right.
Actually, I did have some 10s, but it was at a...
Yeah. Correct. Yeah.
It was just at a 40 bucks.
Correct. Yep. Different vehicle, I think.
Yeah,
same vehicle. Wow.
Things come a long way.
Yeah. Since 2019. Yes, sir. This is fancy.
Thank you, sir. You filmed it actually before when I had these EC4s and everything.
Yes, sir.
I switched out to 6s.
Every time I record, I act like I've never seen it.
Oh, okay.
It's just because everybody watches videos and they never, because it's just how I am. Anyway, your name and what's in here, man? It looks good.
Brian Jones. I got 6 TV6s.
Okay.
On 4 Cosmos Audio 5500s.
Wow. You said 4? 4 of them. Wow. Okay. Nice. I like this brace too. The way they.
Yeah, I had to because I ended up ripping the roof right here.
Really?
Wow. I had the 4s in here.
Yes, sir.
So,
how do you like the sub swap? Do you notice any differences?
These hit a little lower, but the 4s, I like the 4s. They got down decently too.
Yes, sir. These handle more power, probably.
They handle a lot more power.
Oh, yeah. So what's your tuning and your specs on it?
I think what he told me, because Cody Hubbard built this box too, and I think he said it'll dip down to 20, up to like 55, 65.
Yep.
So.
How much lithium in your alternator power?
I got a 400, 370, 320 Autotech. Probably 15, 56, 15, 8 on 135 amp lithium.
Okay.
I'm C-Max. So.
Nice. Any SPL Burke tests?
I did it with the 3 amps, and last time I did it was like a 162. So
wow.
I just enjoyed them.
Yeah, enjoy it. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. I like the retro, or I don't know what you call it, for the layout of your box, but you can see it really clear, the LED system and the box layout, everything. All right. Yeah, look at here. Yeah, window up or down, which one's better?
I like it with the window down, but Cody tells me people get more.
Yeah, you get more pressure. Okay, you do your thing. Awesome, man.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Someone got away from me. I'm sorry.
You're good.
For me always.
been on. For me always. And we've been on.
That is, with the window up, it makes you squeeze your chest and your nose snot comes out. With it down, it's windy, so you got great bandwidth, man, and it doesn't fall off. So the 6-footer box layout did a good job. Thank you for the demo. You did a good job, man. I'm gonna go look at the back of the amps and all too, man.